떨어질 수 있는데.
오, 좀 더 큰 거 떨어져. 큰 거 뛰더라. 눈앞에 보니까 바로 눈 돌아가는데. 파이팅 하자. 난 그러면 이 자리를 뺏을게. 자연스럽게 얘가 배를 밑으로 놓게 돼 있구나. 사실은 낚시 이런 걸 안 하면은 강이나 뭐 이런 걸 쳐다볼 일이 없으니까. 영호야, 하나 해먹었다. 또 하나 해먹었다.
Bana become fish hunter. Please. So now. Hi Na. Today is Sunday. They're fishing. Hi, we're here. They're fishing jogging. Fishing jogging. They're fishing jogging. They're fishing. This is our view. Oh, naku, look is so. Oh no. Fishing area. This particular fish that Bana catch is bad fish. Long time ago, a story behind bring this fish to Korea and build a fish farm. Korean government found out that this foreign particular fish ate good taste fish, Korean fish. So the government decided to kill all these fish in the river. This is our picnic food. Oh. We have water. Apple. Mango. What's this, Hennah? Mango. Egg. I made bread yesterday. This is leftover bread from yesterday. Banana. Banana. We have banana. Apple. Apple sugar. Hennah. Water. Apple coffee. Hennah kaka. Biscuit. In my bag. In your bag. Big boy. And cartoisa. And cartoisa. Apa fishing? Apa fighting? Fighting apa? Fighting. Fighting. Apa fighting? What's this, Hennah? Pang. Pang bread. One more. What's it? Lost. Every time we go to camping, fishing, picnic, where I can see the nature. Looks like I see my hometown. Ayaw! Oh no! Fighting! Ilua! Odi so aya! Odi! Our farm, place where I came from. Oh no! That's one of the reasons why I love going to natures. Oh, good job, Hennah. Now, the virus is all over the world, kills many people. It's so sad and so scary. Hennah! But I know, I believe one day everything will back to normal again. I told you not go to very far. Ay, 갔다 왔어. Okay. 조심해. Let's just hold on, keep our hope, love, and faith in order to reach that day Well, I don't have stroller. Only you. I'm running. I will run and then you ride. And a winner! Yay! Yay! Congratulations, Hennah! Let's do it again. We changed place, guys. This is the first time we visit. Oh no! Masawa! Fishing looks like easy to do. But in reality, it's not easy as what we think. You need materials, place, good spot, technique, knowledge, time, luck, your patient, and especially love of fishing. I see you too, Hennah.
I see you.
Hennah, where are you? Ah! Yay! Oh no! Oh, kita. Oh no! Ay!